Alright, we'll let that drain, get the batteries charged. Cold out. Gotta replace all this PVC. Is about 40-50 feet of it. Gotta replace it with IPEX System 1738. It just goes straight out. You can see it goes that way. Probably already moved this. Let's see without dropping the bucket. Easy. Didn't even need a transfer pump. Took like 10 minutes. That thing's barely on there. Alright, this is what we're working with. System 1738, special gas vent. Got up to 149 degrees. Gotta go the whole distance. Stuff sucks. Don't get it in your eye. If it's too sharp for your fingers, it's too sharp for the pipe. For the fitting. Whatever. Alright, we got the vent done. Let's get this thing up here. Get the vent taken care of. Gotta put the stickers on it. Just gotta do the cold water line and the gas. It's gonna sit right in there. Go 3/4 by half. We'll do the new humidifier, ball valve. All right, there we go. Water coming in, water going out, right in. Hook that back up, get the gas, turn the water back on. All right, all set with that water heater over there. 40-gallon natural gas power vented water heater. American is the brand, basically an A.O. Smith. A.O. Smith is the parent company. I've had good luck with those heaters. Haven't had a lot of problems. That's what I buy in my preferred supply house. Had to switch all that PVC, or all the solid core PVC. In Massachusetts, you can't use it anymore. I mean, it was never rated for venting, you know, combustion gases. It was never actually rated for it, but so now we use the System 1738. It's got its own solvent, primer. Shit makes a mess. We only have to replace. We only have to replace what's accessible. So sometimes I get lucky, or the customer gets lucky, because that shit's expensive. You know, you only have like 6 feet of it that's exposed, and then it goes in the walls up to the attic and out the roof. This one though is about, yeah, just about 40 feet of exposed piping. Went right out the side wall in the basement, walkout basement. So had to replace all of it. Put those exhaust stickers on them. I just realized I never put the direction of flow on it. Whatever. Get it inspected and should be all set. She went with the WAGS valve over there, automatic shutoff valve. I mean, I kind of tell these, I'm terrible salesman. I don't sell people on anything. If they want an automatic shutoff valve, great. I'll price one out for you, I'll put it in, but I don't try to sell people on them. You know, because, I mean, by the time it shuts it off, you still got 40 gallons in the tank that it's going to leak out on the floor. Unfinished basement too. Whatever. We'll put it in a pan. I like the WAGS valve though. I used to use the Taco, but the WAGS valve is just so much easier. A little more pipe, or a lot more pipe. At least another 10-foot stick. But no power needed. And all set. Good to go. On to the next one.